Hi guys, good morning. In this video, I'm featuring this little store of ISLA store. I mean, a little restaurant here in Greenhills shopping center that serves very good food. And we come here always. When we come here in Greenhills, every time we come here because their food is good and the price are good and the people are good. This one is called ISLA here in shopping center of Greenhills. They have a lot of food to offer. This one is pancit lukban, and this one is arroz caldo, and they have the pinakbet, bihon disado, pancit binondo, binawang na sutanghon, sinigang na bangus belly, steak Tagalog, adobong manok, chicken tinola, at miswa, adobong baka at bawang, beef pares, chicken default express, pancit luglog, at pancit lomi. That's it. They have the traditional food. They serve the traditional food, Filipino foods here, and very exquisite, guys. I can assure you. Just try to come here. Yeah. See? They have a lot of different kinds of delicacies here. Ano ito? Leche flan?
Leche flan with halaya.
Ah, leche flan with halaya, meaning this is a leche flan with the purple ube. Yeah. And this one is balanghoy, cassava. Yeah. Cassava cake, and we call it balanghoy cake. And then here are they have a lot of different kinds. See. Here, the puto, they have different kinds. Sapin, this one. No? Sapin na? Oh, sapin. This is glutinous flour, sweetened, yeah. And then, yan. Ito nga. Sarap. At saka ang dami nilang mga... Basta, paano ko pa i-describe ito? Ewan ko. Bidang-bida ito sa akin, guys, because I enjoy a lot when I come here eating this food. They have simple but cool. I call this simple but cool. Yeah. Look, kumakain kaming lugaw, the best lugaw ever here. Kain tayo, guys. Tingnan mo naman, oh, ang sangkap, no, kompleto. Meron ng itlog, see? Tsaka may chicken, spices, the garlic is already, this is, I think, garlic ito, no? Garlic, yeah. And this is crunchy. The smell is so good too. It's so yummy. The taste is so yummy. And then place the calamansi, and it's done. And then we have the bida, panlinis ng tiyan. Ito, see? Coca-Cola, ang favorite ng bayan. Here. Yeah. See that? Filipino foods we have here. Ang ganda, sarap. Pero siyempre, kailangan namin ng tubig. Ayan. Okay ba? Okay ba? Okay na, okay. Yan, enjoy na niya, guys. Ang sarap ng kain niya. Okay. Kain tayo, guys, ha? Yan, may kalamansi na ito. Kain tayo. Nandito ito sa, sa pinaka ground floor. Sa ilalim. Malapit sa may mga bentahan ng mga bubot, mga perlas. Ayan. Nandito lang siya sa baba nitong stairs. Yeah. Just look for ISLA. Yan. Ito, guys. Economical and yummy. Also healthy. Very easy to digest. Lugaw. Ang sarap ng bawang, oh. Hinat. Hindi ka naglalaway niyan. Sarap pa. Okay, sa bihon. Ayan ang bihon. Sarap, guys. Guys, the best pancit kirili. Look at it. Best.
Okay na ba?
Sa'yo na lang. Sa'yo na lang. Sarap. Okay guys. Ito may chicken siya, may pork, bagu beans, carrots, repolyo, meron siyang squid balls. Ang dami, daming sangkap guys. May puto, ha? Sarap. Hindi ko matanggal. Anyway guys, the ingredients of this are the chicken breast, the hard-boiled egg, they have a lot of spices, the green onions, and they have also the safferano. Ano nang tawag safferano? Yung ganyan, oh.
Safferano?
Ano nang tawag sa English niyan? Safferano. No. Ano na yun? Nalimutan, sorry. But they have a lot of spices, full of spices, and then they have also the garlic that is fried. They let it golden brown, and then it is crunchy, aromatic, and a lot of spices. And also with this, this is the rice vermicelli. This is a Chinese type of cooking. This is an influence of Chinese here in the Philippines. The pancit, yeah, and it's good. It has chicken, seaweed, seafood, the carrots, the cabbage, the beans, string beans, carrots, a lot more, yeah. Spicy. Good. And then pork belly. Marami bumibili dito guys. Ang daming nasasarapan dito. You know, leche flan with ube. Yun ang gusto ko. Sarap yun. What is that? Oh, yummy. Wait. Tikman ko ha. Hati tayo ha.
Sige, paano?
Hati tayo. Ubus na ang mga pagkain namin guys, oh. Ubus na.
Ay.
Happy ah. Yummy. Yummy. Ang sarap nito. Leche flan with purple ube. Purple ube. Yan. That is purple yam. This is purple yam. Yes. And it is very good. Sarap. Kaming bumibili, oh. Pati puti kumakain yan. Kumakain na siya ng ano, Filipino foods. Masarap eh. Diba?
Have a beautiful time.